We'll start with the fifth sum. This is the figure given to you. Given part is POQ is a line. This part. This is O. So POQ is a line. OR is perpendicular to PQ. And perpendicular means what? This part is 90 and this part is also 90 degrees. That means angle POR, this whole angle, is equal to 90 degrees, and QOR, this is also 90 degrees. This part is given to you. What you have to find? Angle ROS. ROS, this angle, is equal to half of angle QOS. QOS minus angle POS. This part you have to prove. Now to find, we'll start with whatever is the given part. Given is OR is perpendicular to PQ and angle POR is equal to 90 degree. Now what do you mean by POR? POR is a combination of two angles, POS and ROS. So we'll take the individual angles of this part. So angle POS plus angle ROS, this angle and this angle, is equal to 90 degree. In place of POR, we are writing this POS plus ROS, because the whole thing is POR only. POS plus POR is POS plus SOR is POR. So that's what we have written over here. So now we want to find this left hand side, we want ROS. So this ROS will keep it over here only. So angle ROS is equal to 90 and this POS will go on this side. So 90 minus angle POS. So this part becomes your equation number 1. Now what else is given to you? Angle QOR. Angle QOR is also 90 degrees. So for angle QOR, what you can write? This part you can write it as QOS minus ROS, because in both the equations we require this ROS. So we need to include this ROS in the equation number 2 also. So for that, in place of QOR, we can write QOS minus QOR. So angle QOS. For QOR, what you require? QOS minus ROS is equal to 90 degrees. So in place of QOR, I have written QOS minus this whole angle minus this angle. We are going to get QOR. Now ROS, we don't require it in the negative form. So this ROS will take it over here. So angle QOS, 90 will take it on this side, is equal to angle ROS. So when this part goes over there, it becomes positive, and this 90 will become negative when it comes out here. So we just twist it over here right now. Just we'll take it over here. ROS is equal to angle QOS minus 90. So this part becomes your equation number 2. Now you have to add 1 and 2, because this side we need it ROS only. So here also ROS is there, here also ROS is there. So we'll add 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, what you are getting? Angle ROS, this one, plus angle ROS is equal to, we'll write here, 90 minus angle POS plus angle QOS minus 90 degrees. Now in this equation we have plus 90 and minus 90. So we'll just cut it off. And this ROS plus ROS will become twice of angle ROS is equal to, now this is negative, so we'll write the positive part first. So QOS minus angle POS. Now this 2 we don't require over here, because we need In proof, we need only angle ROS. So this 2 will take on this side. So angle ROS. When this 2 goes on this side, it will come in the division form because here it is multiplication. And this part we will write in the bracket. Angle QOS minus angle TOS. So this is the part what we need to prove, and hence proved. So this is your fifth sum. This we had to prove, and you have proved it over here. You just have to form equation number 1 taking ROS on this side, and equation number 2 also we have to bring ROS on this side. So then you have to add 1 and 2. You will get this part. You have to just reshuffle it, take the 2 over here, and you will get the required result. So this is the sixth sum. It is given that angle XYZ is 64 degrees and XY is produced to point P. In this sum, you have to draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, you have to find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. So this is the diagram that you have to draw. First of all, you have to draw XYZ. It is equal to 64. Then ray XY extends to P. Extends to P means you have to extend it further, and you have to put a point P over here. That is the meaning of XY extend to P. Further, it is given ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. So this ray YQ, you have to place it over here. It is bisecting angle ZYP. This whole angle is ZYP, and this ray is bisecting it. So this part is the given. Angle XYZ is 64 degrees and ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. And you have to find angle XYQ. This is XYQ. That means this whole part you have to find. And also you have to find reflex angle QYP. This part. The reflex for this you have to find. So to start with the solution, we'll first write line QY bisects angle ZYP. This YQ is bisecting ZYP. That is the meaning of this YQ is dividing the whole angle into 2 equal parts. Bisecting means QYP is equal to ZYQ. This and this angles are equal. Therefore, angle QYP, this angle, is equal to angle ZYQ. So these two angles are equal. Now, since XYP is a straight line, so what is the inference? That means the sum of all these 3 angles is 180. It forms a linear pair. So write the names of all these 3 angles: XYZ plus ZYQ plus QYP, and it is equal to 180 degrees. XYZ is given to you 64 plus ZYQ. I will write it as it is. But in place of QYP, I can write again ZYQ because these two are equal. So I will substitute QYP with ZYQ. So 64 plus angle ZYQ plus angle ZYQ is equal to 180 degrees. Now this two are same. So you can write it as twice of angle ZYQ equals to 180. So to find angle twice of angle ZYQ, 180 minus 64 you have to do. It comes to 116. And the angle of ZYQ is 116. This 2 will come over here. Divided by 2 is 58. That is means the measure of each angle is 58. This is also 58 and this is also 58. Further, you have to find angle XYQ. XYQ is this whole angle. That means the sum of this angle and this angle. So this is already given 64 and this we just found it out, it is 58. So angle XYQ is angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. So it comes to 64 plus 58 and this is 122. So this is the first answer. We have found it out. And for reflex angle QYP, what you will do? You will subtract this angle from 360. So 360 minus angle QYP. And QYP is what? It is again 58. So 360 minus 58 is 302. So reflex angle QYP is 302 degrees. So these are the two solutions for this sum.